What is up, you guys? Animal Kid Vlogs. Oh, idea. Perfect time. Well, sorry I haven't vlogged in a long time, but potion time. It's where it gets messy. I will be trying to make thing. I don't know what. This bird nest, I guess. Thingy. I don't know. Whatever. It'll turn out like something. Okay. Deal. First, you'll need a bowl. Plastic bowl, I recommend. And I know it's dirty. I just found it from a few years ago that I used to make potion. You'll be needing mud. Pouring, just gently wet it. Put it in there. So yeah, I'll see when all of this is in there. Also, just add a bit of whatever that stuff is, fertilizer. I'm just guessing. And then I'll add the mud, I guess. Just add a bit of water with it. Make sure it's all wet, kind of, which isn't, so add a bit more. And make sure it looks like that, and then pour it in with the mud, and then get more mud. So, see when I have a lot of mud. Make sure you add more mud, and then it will turn out to be like this. Kind of like gushy, slushy-ish, muddish. Looks quite kind of gross too. And use this water to dump some in here. Well, guess use it time by time. 2 minutes already. I don't know what I'm making. Just try and form your way into a bird nest, so that will be messy, I guess. Quite messy. So yeah, I'll try and make a circle-ish shape, okay? Oh, and one recommendation. Add a bit of dry dirt too, and then mix it up a bit too, so it will form into like this formation right here. And then you start to create, kind of. So yeah, I'll see when it's created a bit. Make sure you let it dry. That took me quite a while, you guys, but then this goes faster because all that brown marking around, I made it big, but then I made it small. Then I added some there, and make sure you let it dry for a bit, and then you add the walls if you're making a bird nest, which I'm making. So yeah, see when it's dry. If you want it to be good, make sure you add like 2 quarters, like 2 up to here, kind of, and then spread it out, and then for the stuff that goes to the side, just move it a bit to make it go quicker, and then add the walls. See when the walls are on. After you're done the walls, that also took a while, a long time, and add a bit of dig up this bit, and make sure you try and be careful, and put it on top, just only a little bit on one of the walls, and then flatten it. And then if this has a problem and it's sinking a bit, just help it by doing the side of it. And then what you want is to get also dry dirt and put it on top. See you from there. Okay, after you're done that, make sure you sprinkle it a bit, the dry dirt, and then add a bit of the mud and add it, because there will be some cracks here. And then make sure after your hands are dirty again, wash your hands a tiny bit, until the mud is slippery a bit. This example, it's gonna be slippery a bit, where you can wash it your hands example, except with mud, and then put it along here, so then it will be better, and so it can stay a bit stable. And then what you want to do is put grass and a tiny wincy bit of sticks. See you from there again. Instead of sticks, actually add leaves. And then make sure you try and put it on the best you can. I sucked at it. And then let it dry. And then for the ending, we'll let it kind of dry, and then yeah. And for the ending with your leftover mud, just do this, okay? Listen very careful. Do this. Grab the mud and put it on your face. Just put it on your face. That's all you gotta do to show you have been hard working. Like, just put it on your face. And then when you have a bath, probably, it should be able to come off. Make sure you have a bath right away. Just do it. I think I might get mud in my eyes. Add your water bit that you were using. Oh, forgot about this bit. Just pour it out, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.